Hey, it's Jason Coleman, Price mortgage broker, and I had an agent ask me to do a video on what I'm posting from time to time about mortgage rates, because it is kind of Chinese when I post these things about, negative 19 bips on the 30-year bond. And then I'm also including the S&P 500 and the 10-year Treasury. Now, first of all, the 10-year Treasury, if it starts moving up, that means rates are getting worse. The 10-year Treasury, which you can find on like a Yahoo Finance or whatever, is directly tied to the 15-year fixed mortgage rate. And so when you see the 30-year bond negative 19 or negative 20, so bips are equal to percentage. So for easy math, let's take a $400,000 loan, and let's say it got negative 50 bips. Well, that's equal to 0.5%. And so 25 bips would be equal to 25%. So if you're getting a point on your mortgage loan, 1 point would be equal to $4,000 on a $400,000 loan, whereas 50 bips would be equal to 0.5%, so $2,000 on a $400,000 loan. Now, how does this affect mortgage rates? That's a good question, and here's the answer. Every rate has what's called a yield spread on it until it doesn't, and it starts going down in costing. So each bank, whether it's retail or brokers or wholesale, each bank sells a particular rate that's a fixed compensation plan for each bank. And so let's say the 3% rate had a 2% yield on it. Well, if that's the compensation that's agreed on by the bank with either their line of credit with Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or whatever, if it gets a 0.5% worse, that means that they're going to either A, charge you a 0.5% point to get that same rate that you could have got yesterday that you didn't lock in, or maybe you did and you were lucky, or they're going to move you up to the 3.125, which may pay that extra 0.5%, which they already had an agreement set in stone, so everybody gets the same fair rate. So they're not discriminating, so those are the rules of banking, the guidelines. And so when I post negative 20 bips, that means it just cost almost 0.25% more for your interest rate. So if you have any questions about refinancing or purchase loans, give me a call. My number's right down here. And I answer calls 7 days a week and love to talk to you. Thanks for watching.